Good morning, my dear students. Today, let's begin our class with a prayer song. Children, each new day is a God's gift to you, and what you do with it is your gift to God. So, what you become is your gift to God. So, be thankful to God every time. So, when you eat, when you sleep, when you wake up, when you go out, remember God and always be thankful to God for giving us this beautiful life. Everything I am, everything I am, everything I'll be, everything I'll be. I give it to you, Lord. I give it to you, Lord, and do it thankfully, thankfully. Every song I sing, every praise I bring, everything I do is a gift to you. Children, in previous class, we have learnt about A and E sound words. Today we will learn about IOU sound words. First, let's revise the sounds. A says eh. Say children, eh. E says eh. Children, A and E letters have same sounds. I says E. E. O says O. O. U says Say children, Today we are going to learn about IOU sound words. Go to page 42 in your Pearls textbook. Let's learn to read I sound words. I sound words. Big. Big tree. B-E-G. B-I-G. Say children, B-E-G. Big. B-I-G. Big. B-I-G. Big. Wig. Wig means extra hair. W-I-G. Wig. W-I-G. W-E-G. Say children, W-E-G. Wig. Sheep. S-H-I-P. Sheep. Sh-E-P. Sheep. Sh-E-P. Sheep. S-H-I-P. Sheep. S-H-I-P. Sheep. Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. E-sh. E-sh. Fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. Say children, big, wig, ship, fish. Go to page 42 in your Pearls textbook. A big ship. A B-E-G. Big. Sh-E-P. Sheep. A big ship. A big sheep. A boy is big. He is on a ship. Sheep is red in color. We can see a fish also. Let's read these sentences. I am big. I am big. B-E-G. Big. I have a wig. I have a wig. I have a wig. Children, you can repeat after me. I am on a sheep. I am on a sheep. I am on a sheep. I see a fish. I see a fish. Fill in I to complete the words. So we have to fill I to complete these words. T I
T-I-N, tin. T-I-N, teen. Say children, T-I-N, teen. B-I-N, bin. B-I-N. Say children, B-I-N. B-I-N, bin. Fin, F-I-N, fin. F-I-N. Say children, F-I-N. F-I-N, fin. Pin, P-I-N, pin. P-I-N. Say children, P-I-N. P-I-N, pin. Sit, S-I-T, sit. S-I-T, sit. S-I-T, sit. Pit, P-I-T, pit. P-I-T, pit. P-I-T, P-I-T, pit. Good. Fit, F-I-T, fit. F-I-T, F-I-T. Say children, F-I-T, fit. Bit, B-I-T, bit. B-I-T. Let's practice writing these words in our English notebook. T-I-N, tin. B-I-N, bin. F-I-N, fin. P-I-N, pin. S-I-T, sit. P-I-T, pit. F-I-T, fit. B-I-T, bit. Write the same on the next page also. Let's learn some O sound words. O sound words. Dog, D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. Say children, D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. Cot, C-O-T, cot. C-O-T, cot. C-O-T, cot. Children, you can repeat after me. Hot, H-O-T, hot. H-O-T. Say H-O-T, hot. Pot, P-O-T, P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, pot. P-O-T, P-O-T, pot. Dot, D-O-T, dot. D-O-T, D-O-T, dot. Top, T-O-P, top. T-O-P, 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 top. Go to page 43 in our Pearl's textbook. Dog in a cot. Dog in a cot. Say children, dog, dog, in a cot. C-O-T, cot. Dog in a cot. Say, dog in a cot. Good. This is a dog. This is a dog. The dog is in a cot. The dog is in a cot. Where is dog? In a cot. The dog is in a cot. This is a hot pot. This is a hot pot. This is a hot pot. Stop, stop. Stop, stop. There is a dot. There is a dot. There is a dot. The dot is on my top. The dot is on my top. The dot is on my top. Where is dot? On her top. Fill in O to complete the words. P-O-T, pot. O is already written. P-O-T, pot. C-O-T, cot. C-O-T, C-O-T, cot. Dot. D-O-T, dot. D-O-T, D-O-T, dot. Hot. H-O-T, hot. H-O-T, hot. F-O-G, fog. F-O-G, F-O-G, fog. F-O-G, fog. L-O-G, log. L-O-G, log. L-O-G, log. Dog. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, D-O-G, dog. Say children, D-O-G, dog. Good. Jog. J-O-G, jog. J-O-G, jog. J-O-G. Say children, J-O-G, jog. Let's write O sound words in our English notebook. P-O-T, pot. C-O-T, cot. D-O-T, dot. H-O-T, hot. F-O-G, fog. L-O-G, log. D-O-G, dog. J-O-G, jog. Very good. Write all these words on the next page also. On worksheet number 40, look at the picture and fill in I or O to complete the words. Do it for your practice. Now it's a quiz time. I will show you some pictures and you have to say and fill A, E, I, O to complete that word. Okay, let's start. Are you excited, children? Come on, tell me answer. What is this? Cat. C-A-T. Very good. So we fill A to complete the word. C-A-T, cat. Good. Dog. D-O-G, dog. D. For O sound, we use O. D-O-G, dog. Good. What is this, children? Hen. Hen gives us eggs. H-E-N. Hen. Good. This is a van. V-A. Good. A will come. V-A-N. Van. V-A-N. Van. Tin. T-E-N. For E sound, we use I. Right. T-I-N. Tin. Come on, who will give me answer? Pin. P-I-N. Good. P-I-N. Pin. Tomorrow I will take your dictation. I will say 5 sentences of O and I sound words. And you have to write in your notebooks. Children, always remember God. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.